In this video, we show you why a thorough inspection and cleaning of the brake calipers when installing brakes is important for safe braking and customer satisfaction, as well as how dirty calipers can impact braking behavior. After removing the brake wear sensor and guide pins, simply hang the caliper from the suspension strut with a hook to avoid damaging the brake hoses. You can now remove the brake pads. Check if there are deposits or corrosion on the guide pins or their bushings. If yes, be sure to polish the parts until clean. Deposits or dirt left on the parts after changing the brakes or brake pads can result in the pins becoming stuck in the guide and the brake pads not being applied equally or at the proper pressure on the brake rotor. Next, be sure to check the piston gasket for dirt and a proper fit. This is the only way to prevent penetration of water and subsequent corrosion of the piston. When replacing the piston, we recommend opening the brake fluid reservoir. Check whether there is enough space in the reservoir for the brake fluid to rise. Now, use a caliper piston retracting tool to press the piston back into position. Clean the caliper completely. The contact surfaces of the brake pads must be free of dirt and rust so that the pads can slide easily into the guide slots. For this purpose, we recommend using a special brake file. After cleaning the brake pad guide slots, spray them with a metal-free isolation compound. The piston face should also be cleaned. Otherwise, it will not be possible to press the piston flat against the pad. Take care not to damage the rubber gaskets. After all the parts have been cleaned and inspected, the caliper can now be reassembled. Be sure to note the torque specified by the respective manufacturer when tightening the bolts. Finally, replace the retaining spring for the housing. Please check that the spring is not damaged. For more important information and tips on installing brake rotors, please check out our range of videos on this subject. Please note, brake components are safety parts. Therefore, necessary work on the brake system may only be carried out by authorized mechanics.